Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean duplicate records in Google Sheets step by step. Removing duplicate records helps keep your spreadsheet accurate, organized, and easier to analyze. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the duplicate records. Before removing duplicates, it's a good idea to make a copy of your spreadsheet so you have a backup of your original data. Now, select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. If your entire spreadsheet contains duplicate data, you can select all the relevant columns. Next, click on the Data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Data Cleanup. Then click Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear showing the selected data range. If your data includes headers, make sure the Data has Header Row option is checked. Next, choose the columns you want Google Sheets to compare for duplicate records. If you want to find duplicates based on every selected column, leave all the columns checked. Then click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will scan the selected data and remove any duplicate rows. When the process is complete, you'll see a message showing how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Click OK to close the message. Take a moment to review your spreadsheet and make sure the remaining data is correct. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned duplicate records in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.